Hola a todos, hoy vamos a hablar de los falsos cognados en español e inglés, or false cognates. Uh, in Spanish or in English, you have maybe heard about falsos amigos or false friends. So these are words that they have a similar spelling or even the same spelling in English and Spanish, but the meanings are very, very different. So today I selected a few of them. If you're interested in me to explain more of them, or if you know any others that are not in this list, leave them in the comments below. And well, I might do a second video of this. So let's start with one that is actually a very common mistake among non-Spanish speakers, which is actualmente. The word actualmente doesn't mean actually. It means nowadays or currently. And actually, the word actually means de hecho. For example, actualmente la tecnología domina nuestras vidas. Nowadays or currently, technology controls our lives. Or, de hecho, lo que el presidente dice no es cierto. Actually, what the president is saying is not true. Asistir is not the same as to assist. Asistir means to attend. And to assist is actually ayudar. Por ejemplo, Diego no ha asistido a clases toda esta semana. Diego hasn't attended to class all this week. Ellos ayudan a su abuela a cocinar la cena. They assist their grandma to cook dinner. Carbón is not the same as carbon, it's actually cold. And carbón is carbono. So, Papá Noel trae carbón a los niños que se portan mal. Santa Claus, which is the name of uh, in English of Papa Noel, brings sorry if I'm pronouncing that correctly, to the kids when they misbehave. And el dióxido de carbono es un gas incoloro e inodoro. So the carbon dioxide, CO2, is a gas, is an colorless, is incoloro, and odorless. Yes, there you go. So the carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. Now, atender is not the same as to attend, it's actually to take care of, and to attend means to assist. For example, ella entiende muy bien a sus parientes. Ella atiende muy bien a sus pacientes. She takes a very good care of her patients. Or, ¿por qué no asististe a la reunión? Why didn't you attend to the meeting? Like the previous one that we did. Campo is not the same as camp or to camp. It actually means country. Not country like the US is a country, it's more like the countryside and or a field. Camp or to camp, well, camp in this case means campamento, and to camp means to acampar. No me gusta el campo, prefiero la ciudad. El campo de fútbol es muy grande. So, I don't like the countryside, I prefer the city. The football field is very big. Or el campamento está a unos kilómetros. Quiero acampar cerca del lago. So, the camp is a few kilometers away, or I want to camp near the lake. Carpeta is not carpet, it's actually folder or file, and a carpet is alfombra. Now, quick note here. I know that you guys have a carpet and you have a rug, and I think for you, carpet and rug is different. But in Spanish, a carpet or a rug is still an alfombra, right? So, for example, los domingos los documentos están en la carpeta roja. The documents are in the folder or in the red file or in the red eh, folder. Hay una alfombra azul en el piso de la sala. There is a blue rug or a blue carpet in the floor of the living room. Estar constipado o constipada, remember this depends on if it's talking about a man or a woman, is not to be constipated, it means to have a cold. And to be constipated is actually estar estreñido o estreñida. Estoy constipada, no puedo respirar bien. I have a cold, I cannot breathe well. Estoy estreñida, no voy al baño desde hace 3 días. I'm constipated. I haven't gone to the bathroom in 3 days. Then we have contestar, not the same as to contest, it's actually to answer or reply. To contest es to refutar en español. Por ejemplo, conteste a la pregunta, por favor. Answer or reply to the question, please. Ella refuta cada cosita que digo. She contests every little thing I say. Chocar, not the same as to choke, is to crash or to shock. Mi padre chocó su carro ayer. So here to crash is like to bump two things, all right? When two things bump. This is the meaning of chocar in Spanish. This is to crash in this context. My father crashed his car yesterday, or su indiferencia me choca mucho. Her indifference shocks me a lot. To choke is actually asfixiarse. El perro se está asfixiando con el hueso. The dog is choking with the bone. Decepción, not the same as deception, is disappointment. Perder fue una gran decepción para él. Losing was a big disappointment for him. Deception actually means engaño. No puedo perdonar tu engaño. I cannot forgive your deception. Delito, no the same as delight. Delight actually means deleite, and delito is crime. Nosotros cometimos un delito muy grave. We committed a very serious crime. Comer en este restaurante siempre es un deleite. Eating in this restaurant is always a delight. Disgustar is not the same as to disgust, is to upset, and to disgust is the same as dar asco. Me disgusta tu actitud. Your attitude upsets me. Me dan asco las cucarachas. Cockroaches disgust me. Okay? Educado, educada, again, masculine, feminine, is not the same as educated. It means polite. And educated actually is culto o culta en Spanish. Mi hijo es muy educado con sus profesores. Ellos son muy cultos, saben mucho de historia. So, in the first sentence, my son is very polite with his professors, and they are very educated. They know a lot about history. Embarrasada, this is another one that is very commonly mistaken among not Spanish speakers. Embarrasada is not embarrassed, it means pregnant. And embarrassed es avergonzado o avergonzada. Mi esposa está embarazada, my wife is pregnant. Mi amigo se siente avergonzado de su comportamiento. My friend feels embarrassed of his behavior. Enviar, not the same as to envy, is actually to send. And to envy means envidiar. ¿Enviaste el regalo a tu mamá? Did you send the gift to your mom? Manuel envidia a su hermana porque ella tiene más dinero. Manuel envies his sister because she has more money. Éxito, not the same as exit, is success. An exit equals salida en Spanish. So, Britney tuvo mucho éxito al principio de los 2000. Britney was very successful or had a lot of success at the beginning of the 2000s. And la salida está a la izquierda. The exit is on the left. Fábrica, no the same as fabric, it's actually factory, and fabric means tela. So, en esta fábrica producen comida para bebé. In this factory, they produce food for babies. Esta tela es muy suave. This fabric is very soft. Gracioso, graciosa is not gracious, is funny. And gracious means cortés. Adam Sandler es muy gracioso. Adam Sandler is very funny. And él es muy cortés. Siempre dice gracias y por favor. He's very gracious. He always says thank you and please. And that's all for today. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you have any other words that you want me to explain, please do it and leave it in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this videos and all my videos. Thank you so much for your support y nos vemos. Hasta luego.